Hello, here's what's moving the markets. US presses China with an increase in trade tariffs and the RBA keep rates unchanged. Okay, let's break down the developing news. Asian equities traded mixed as sentiment remained at the whim of the ongoing US-China trade uncertainty as markets react to US President Trump's tariff threats. US trade representatives confirmed the US will increase tariffs on China this Friday if there is no deal, as China has gone back on previously discussed commitments. Over the weekend, reports suggested talks had moved backwards substantially. UK PMA is facing fresh calls from within her party to step down as she attempts to secure a deal with Labour to break the Brexit deadlock. The RBA kept the cash rate unchanged at 1.5% as markets had priced in a rate cut which was likely. The RBA will pay close attention to the labour markets in approaching meetings and had remained strong recently in addition to a pickup in wage growth. The major concern has been inflation, which remains lower than expected, which has been linked to falling house prices and household spending. The crypto market continues its bull run with the majority of the top 100 coins by market cap in the green. Bitcoin approaching the $6,000 handle, gaining 4%. But the biggest gainer has been Ethereum, as speculation the US Commodity Futures Trading Commission may approve Ethereum futures trading. Looking ahead, highlights include EU Commission economic forecasts. We have the EIA short-term energy outlook, and we have speeches from the Fed and the BOE. I'll see you in the next traders report. Thank you for listening and have a good trading day. Hello, here's what's moving the markets. The trade rhetoric between US and China continues to impact markets. The RBNZ cut rates and reports of Binance exchange being hacked. Okay, let's break down the developing news. Chinese trade negotiators will travel to Washington to rectify trade talks as the US begins to show signs of raising current tariffs this Friday. Cracks are beginning to show as the prior hopes and optimism of these talks evaporated and sparked a strong sell-off. It seems the Chinese negotiators have backpedaled on previous stated terms, giving the US the green light to impose new levies. The increase in volatility is flashing warning signs. On the other hand, UK PMA's team is showing signs of pessimism about getting a deal done with the Labour Party in a continuation of uncertainty. PMA has also been given until 4 p.m. today to report when she will step down. If not, the 1922 committee members could force her out within weeks. The RBNZ cut rates by 25 basis points to 1.5% as expected to support employment and inflation policy. The major factor has been the subdued employment growth and uncertainty in global outlook and trade concerns. One of the world's largest crypto exchanges, Binance, has reported a hack of $40 million. They have confirmed to losing 7,000 bitcoins to hackers after its hot wallet was breached. They will carry out a security review of how 2% of their holdings was hacked in a single transaction. Looking ahead, highlights include German industrial output and speeches from Bank of England's Ramsden and European Central Bank's Draghi, corporate earnings from Walt Disney, Imperial Brands and Commerzbank. I'll see you in the next traders report. Thank you for listening and have a good trading day.